This is just like new but without the new car price. Stop in or call, ask for Alicia, Alice, or Vicky. Find out how they can help you with all your automobile needs. Contact Tony de Oliveira for more information. This 2005 BMW X3 4Drive 3.0 IAWD SUV features a 3.0 LL6 FIDO HC24 V6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is titanium silver metallic with a Grand Interior. It is covered by a limited warranty. Power windows, power door locks, tilt steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, ABS brakes, AM/FM, alloy wheels, rear wipers, xenon, center armrest, cup holders, vanity mirrors, center console, heated mirrors, child-proof door locks, side curtain airbags, rear side airbags, premium wheels, 12V power outlet.